Welcome to our channel, where we explore the keys to personal and professional growth. In today's session, we delve into the insightful book, Effective Problem-Solving Self-Development for Managers, by Francis. This book offers a comprehensive guide for managers and leaders seeking to enhance their problem-solving skills, a crucial aspect of effective management and leadership. Francis begins by highlighting the importance of problem-solving in the managerial role, emphasizing that the ability to identify and solve problems efficiently is what often separates successful leaders from the rest. The book is grounded in the premise that problem-solving is not an innate talent, but a skill that can be developed and refined over time. The author introduces a structured approach to problem-solving, starting with the identification of the problem. This involves recognizing a problem exists, defining its nature, and understanding its impact on the organization. Francis stresses the importance of clarity in the problem definition phase, as a well-defined problem is easier to solve. Following identification, the book guides readers through the process of analyzing the problem. This step involves gathering relevant information, breaking down the problem into smaller components, and identifying the underlying causes. Francis advocates for a thorough analysis phase, arguing that a deep understanding of a problem's root causes is critical for developing effective solutions. One of the book's core messages is the value of creative thinking in problem-solving. Francis encourages managers to think outside the box and consider unconventional solutions. He introduces various creativity-enhancing techniques, such as brainstorming and lateral thinking, to help readers generate a wide range of potential solutions. The selection of the best possible solution is the next step in Francis's problem-solving model. He outlines criteria for evaluating solutions, including feasibility, cost, impact, and alignment with organizational goals. The book emphasizes the importance of a systematic evaluation process to ensure that the chosen solution offers the best chance of success. Implementation of the solution is discussed in detail, with Francis offering strategies for planning and executing the solution effectively. He highlights the importance of communication, resource allocation, and contingency planning in this phase. The book also addresses common challenges in implementing solutions and provides practical advice for overcoming these obstacles. Monitoring and evaluating the outcome of the solution is another critical aspect covered. Francis explains how to measure the success of a solution and learn from the experience, whether the problem was solved successfully or not. This feedback loop is essential for continuous improvement in problem-solving skills. Throughout the book, Francis incorporates case studies and real-life examples to illustrate the application of his problem-solving model in various managerial contexts. These examples not only make the concepts more relatable, but also demonstrate the versatility and effectiveness of the approach across different industries and challenges. Effective problem-solving also addresses the role of team dynamics in problem-solving. Francis discusses how to leverage the diverse skills and perspectives of team members to enhance the problem-solving process. He offers guidance on facilitating effective team discussions, building consensus, and fostering an environment where creative solutions are encouraged and valued. In addition to problem-solving, the book touches on related aspects of management, such as decision-making, conflict resolution, and time management. Francis integrates these topics seamlessly, showing how they intersect with and influence the problem-solving process. The book concludes with a call to action for managers to cultivate a problem-solving mindset, not only as a way to address immediate challenges, but as a means to drive innovation and growth within their organizations. Francis emphasizes that effective problem-solving is a continuous learning process and encourages readers to embrace challenges as opportunities for development. Thank you for joining us as we explored Effective Problem-Solving Self-Development for Managers by Francis. This book is a valuable resource for anyone looking to enhance their problem-solving skills and become a more effective leader. Remember, the ability to solve problems creatively and efficiently is a key driver of success in any managerial role. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into personal and professional development. Until next time, keep challenging yourself and growing your problem-solving skills.